Is Roblox giving you trouble when trying to join mobile games? Don't stress. We've got a quick and easy solution for you. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix it, whether you're on iPhone or Android. Let's dive in. Start by launching the Roblox app on your device. Normally, you'd tap on a game and hit the green play button. But if that's not working, here's how to troubleshoot. Begin by tapping the More icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Scroll down and select Settings, then navigate to Account Info. Now, check these two key things. Ensure your email address is verified. If it isn't, tap Verify and follow the email instructions sent by Roblox. Completing this step ensures your account is properly set up. Confirm that your age is verified. If you see Verified, you're good to go. If not, tap Verify My Age and follow the steps to confirm your birth date. Verifying your age is especially important as some games require age confirmation to join. If verifying these doesn't solve the issue, the next step is clearing the app's data and cache. Close the Roblox app and open your phone's settings. Navigate to Apps or App Management. Search for Roblox and select it. Tap on Storage and then choose Clear Cache. Follow it up by tapping Clear Data to remove any corrupted files that could be causing the problem. Once you've done that, reopen the Roblox app, log back in, and try joining your game again. Clearing data and cache often resolves glitches and improves app performance. That's all it takes to fix joining issues on Roblox Mobile. If this helped, make sure to like this video and share it with friends who might be experiencing the same problem.